To create a new website using blocks, go to New Page and then select Bootstrap blocks if you want to make a normal static HTML website with blocks, or select Bootstrap blocks for WordPress if you want to create a WordPress theme. So for now, let's just continue with HTML page. Select, and here we get a blank page, and in lib panel we see all the blocks that we can use on our website. But first, let's save the page. And create a folder for your project. And save the page there. And if you will use images, then it's best to copy them into images folder of the folder where you just saved the website. Okay, and now we are ready to place blocks on the page. To do that, simply drag them from lib panel and place them on the page. And the first step, you should think not about design of the page, but about the basic structure of what you want to say, and you have to take into account who the visitors will be. Are you selling something? Are you promoting your services? So you can find best blocks that fit in what you want to do. You can show testimonials, that's always useful. Introduce the theme. Provide contact information. And say bye-bye with a proper footer and copyright information. Use zoom control to see more of the page at the same time, and also in the tree we can collapse sections so that we work with just the basic outline of our web page. And then it's very easy, for example, to reorder them or to delete them. And then when you want to work with the content, for example of this section, you can uncollapse the section and then use Pinegrow features for editing to customize the content of your website. So to edit texts, just double click and type. Or select different icons and go to prop panel. We can also change background images of our sections. And blocks also have controls for editing backgrounds or text color. For margins and paddings, and we have a separate video which explains all these options. So take a look at that. And once we are ready with basic customizations, we can also use CSS editing in Pinegrow to edit CSS rules and to customize all layout and design properties of our website. That part is optional. Out of the box, blocks websites look great and give you some control over colors and styling, but Pinegrow lets you change everything if you want to do that. And please take a look at the video about customizing CSS for details. One thing we also need to do is set up the navigation so that it works. We need to hook up the menu items with sections on the page. And again, take a look at a separate video that explains how to do that. And as mentioned before, Pinegrow also lets you create WordPress themes with these same blocks, and that feature is available in WordPress edition of Pinegrow. And to learn more about how to do that, take a look at our WordPress blocks videos.